Meet the H&H Hongxiang Sintered Diamond Core Drill Bit, your ultimate solution for flawless drilling in glass, marble, ceramic tile, quartz, granite, porcelain, fiberglass, and stone. This professional tool delivers clean, precise holes every time, without chipping or cracking. Its durable, diamond-coated tip ensures long-lasting performance and smooth operation. Say goodbye to damaged surfaces and hello to professional results. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tool reviews and smart shopping tips. Key features: sintered diamond tip, universal compatibility for hard materials, easy installation on standard drills, corrosion-resistant design.